guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Tech again. Today's video, we're gonna show you how to communicate, download and upload the program of this PLC Micrologix 1000 of Allen Bradley. See here in the screen. In the upper side, this is the input. We have a 10 input. On the lower side, we have a output, 5 output, and the supply source is 65 to 85 volts to 265 volts AC, the source. And here, the output is 24 volts DC. This PLC have a built-in power supply, so no need to add another power supply. Already have a output here. So here the communication port is 232. Okay, let's plug in and we will test. So the power indicator is light on and the run is on. Okay, this is the programming cable. Okay, and then this one going to laptop port. So let's check first the communication port in the device manager. Go to device manager and click. And let's check out what is the number of communication port. Okay, here in the ports and LPT, just click. It's the COM number 5. Okay. So let's open our Micrologix 500 software and also the RS-Link Classic. So let's configure the drivers. Okay, click here. This is RS232 DF1 devices. Click add new. Just wait for a while. It's loading. Okay, click add new. Click OK. So here, communication port, just select number 5 because our port is a COM5. Okay. And click auto config. So here, this again, click 5. Auto config. See, it's initialization. Auto configuration successful. Click OK. And close. The driver is already running. So here you can click there. It is PLC 1. So okay, let's make new project. You can click here, also here. Okay, click new. So let's rename. I will put name EB1. EB_1. Okay. Select Micrologix 1000 1761, and also the driver must be the same. Click OK. Okay, and let's try to make a login. Add run, and then just drag and drop. Select examine it. Close. Examine it. Okay. And first output. So guys, here I don't have a physical input, so that's why I use internal bit or binary bit. Here for our input, I use a binary bit. Just drag and drop also. Close, and our first output. Same also, just drag and drop. Okay guys, compile first. Okay, verify has complete, no error found. Okay. So let's let's download. Okay, save. Are you sure you want to proceed with download? Click yes. Processor is in remote run mode. Click yes. Okay, downloading. Click yes. Do you want to go online? Click yes. Okay guys, it's online and okay, we will tackle with our first input. See here, our first output is here. That's it here. Okay. It's second input. Then we're gonna get by turn it on. See our output also is on. Okay guys, again we will make some changes to our program. Okay, we will add a branch. Just click here, become red. And here, can drag also. And our second output. Okay, here, second output. Okay. Again, download. Compile first. See, verify has no error. Again, download. And click OK. Are you sure you want to proceed with download? Click yes. Also click yes again. Since back to run mode, click yes. Do you want to go online? Click yes. Okay guys, it's online again. Okay, let's try again to toggle bit. See, our second also output is on. See the indicator light. Okay, let's toggle off. Okay guys, now let's proceed to the upload. See here, have upload. Let's go offline and click save. Click yes. So here guys, click new project, click yes, and we will rename. I put from PLC 1. Also here 1761, Micrologix 1000, also the driver, both same, just click OK. So here, direct go here to the upload. Save changes to from PLC 1, click yes, click save. So guys, uploading our program from PLC to PC, that's called upload. And the download is from PC to PLC, that's called the download. Okay guys, let's run, toggle bit. See, it will be coming right. Okay, off. Okay, we will make another changes. Okay, we will try add another output. So okay, go to the output, double click, and output number 3, just drag it up. Okay guys, let's compile first. Okay, there's no error, just download again. Click OK. Click yes, download the process image. Click yes. Go online. Okay guys, let's try again, toggle bit on. See, the output will be also on. Again, let's out. So guys, I have a presentation here. See, this the software, Micrologix 5000 software for Micrologix family, RSL Classic, the drivers to communicate between the software and the PLC. This emulate 500. If you don't have a physical PLC, you can use this emulator to communicate the RS500. So this is the hardwiring of Micrologix 1000 Allen Bradley. So this one guys. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So guys, that's all. God bless all. Bye bye.